Leonardo, this is Bernie from Be Present Digital Marketing. Thank you for taking the time to speak to me earlier today. Now, Leonardo, in this quick video, we're going to go over three things that you can start doing to beat out your competition, improve your website traffic, and bring in more online customers. Now, you may be asking, why are we giving you this video? Well, in our research, we found a lot are too busy taking care of your customers and employees, and you just don't have time to learn how to bring in more customers. Now, we feel the only thing that stops you from hiring someone is that you don't know who's an expert and who's not. So we put together these attack plans and we give them away for free. Now, some people take these plans, they implement them on their own. Some call us back and ask for our assistance. Leonardo, whatever you decide to do is all right with us. The only thing we ask for is just some quick feedback on the video. Now, the three things we're going to go over, one is going to be content. The second is going to be backlinks. The third is going to be citations. Now, content is any words on a home page. Google likes to see approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on a homepage, depending on the number of keywords needed. Now, a keyword is anything someone may type into Google looking for a particular product or service. Now, these keywords should be placed throughout your website within the content, telling Google exactly the terms that you want to be found for on the internet. So, for example, if you're a plumber in Oceanside, California, you want to have words on your website like plumbers, leaks, floods. This tells Google, who then tells the end user that you guys exist. So if I take a look at your website really quickly, I can see you have your phone number here, your email address, services, contacts, everything looks good. Your About Me page gives you a list of services that you guys provide, which is great. But again, Google likes to see approximately 1,500 to 2,000 words on a page. So I take a look at your page really quickly and I put it into a word counter. We'll see here that right now you guys have 879 words on your website. Now, if I take a look at your next competitor, which is actually one of my clients, Frankie Contractor LLC, we'll take a look at how their page is laid out. Right here, they have a caption page to collect leads about their business. We can scroll down a little bit further. They provide a discount for veterans and military members. I would scroll down a little further. So again, yes, Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words. So we take a look at their web page really quickly in a counter. We can see that they have 1,878 words. And we'll just look at one more competitor, O'Leary Roofing. And you can see that they have a caption page here. They collect email addresses and contact information, which is, and let's just see how many words that they have on their page. So they have about 1,381 words on their web page. So what I do for your page is we need to go out there and optimize your page with more relevant keywords like roof repair in Stroudsburg, PA, roof repair in Mount Pocono, PA. These are the keywords that you're going to want to need on your website so you can start to rank. And we're going to have to put more content, at least about another 1,000 words on your website, just to get you relevant and get you up into the map pack. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about something that's called a citation. I'm sorry, a backlink. A backlink is anytime you see a clickable hyperlink linking from one website to another website. Now, these links act as an endorsement of your web page, which Google uses to build trust in your business. The more backlinks you have, the more Google's going to trust you, the higher they're going to rank you. So I use a paid tool here called Moz to check backlinks. And if we take a look at your page really quickly, we can see that currently you guys links to your page. And right now you're not being found for any keywords. So any roofing terms, roof repair, roof replacement, roof insulation, skylight replacement, flat roofs. There are no keywords on your website, so you're really not ranking for any of those things. Now, we take a look at your next competitor. We can see here, we see your next competitor has 44 backlinks. They have 179 inbound links, and they're being found for 55 keywords currently. And we can take a look at, just drill down on these keywords and see what the keywords that they're ranking for right now. Words that you want to rank for are words like Stroudsburg Roofing, East Stroudsburg Roofing Contractor, Stroudsburg Roofing repairs, Strasbourg roof replacement. These are the keywords that you want to be try to be found for on the internet, and that way you can kind of compete with these guys and rank side by side with these guys. There is room in the map pack for 3 roofers in there, and we can probably make you guys one of those 3 top roofers. If we look at your third competitor, we'll see here that these guys, O'Leary Roofing, we can see that they have 518 inbound links, linked domains over 128, and they're being found for 283 keywords. So this is important. These keywords are essential for you to rank, for you to get more traffic to your website, for you to get more leads to your website. And so we drill down on this and we can see what keywords these guys are ranking for right now. So we can see O'Leary Roofing right now, and we can see what their keywords are. So they are ranking Strasbourg roof replacement, Strasbourg roof repair, roofing contractor. All these keywords are bringing them traffic to their website. So you can see here, they're in, for this word, I believe they're in the first position, the difficulty to get that, volume that they're getting from that, keywords, so on and so forth. So they're just doing, a phenomenal job. And we can do the same thing. They're Easton Roof Repair, PA, Roofing Services, Easton. These are all some of the keywords that you guys can be ranking for on your website. So again, what we can do is we can go out there and get a backlink strategy where we can start to optimize your website, change some of the writing on your website so you guys can start to rank alongside these top competitors. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about is something that's called a citation. Now, a citation is anytime you see your name, address, and phone number appear in a directory exactly like it is on your Google business profile. Now, these citations help you rank in the map pack, which is extremely important for small businesses such as yourself because it brings in a huge amount of traffic. The more citations you have, the higher Google's going to rank you over your competitors. Now, if I take a look at a quick website search here, I see that Roofing Strasbourg, PA. We can see this page, and we can see that this is the here of the website. We can see that the volume that this gets every single month is about 140 clicks. If you had to pay for that for Google pay per click, you would probably pay $8.92 per click. Again, we know these guys are advertising to be on the top page. So here's the sweet spot where we want to be. We see that Frankie Contractor is number 1. We see that O'Leary Roofing is number 2, and we see that Simon Roofing is number 3. Now, what we want to do is we want to get in here and take out one of these 2 guys. And so if these guys have, say, 100 citations, we need to go out there and get into 100 to 50 to 200 directories. Same thing with these. We have to outpace these guys. And so when people are searching roof repair, roofing Strasbourg, PA, and they're coming up against this, I would say 40 to 50% of the people who are looking for a roofer are going to look in this map pack, and then about 40% are going to go here organically. And as you can see, Frankie Contractor is here organically. He's in the map pack. He's also here organically. O'Leary's here organically. He's also here or not here. They're in the map pack, but they're not here organically. So we can actually go out there and kind of, nip at their heels and trying to take, market share away from those guys. So again, I want to say thank you for watching this video. You could do one of 2 things with this video. You can actually go out there and implement it on your own, like I said before, or you can call us back. But if you do decide to implement this on your own, keep in mind that it does take time, 6 to 8 months before you start. So you want to get started as soon as possible, optimizing your website, putting the keywords on there, getting more content, getting backlinks, and getting your citations going. Again, I want to say thank you for watching this video. Appreciate your time, and you have a great day.